Hello everyone, I'm a complete set of electric power technology. Today, let's take a look at the 6300 ampere cabinet. Here is one of its switching cabinets, consisting of two 6300 ampere contactors. Let's look at the copper bar behind the circuit breaker here. Each item consists of 3 bronze medals of 12 times 125. Let's take a look at this side. It is a process of rounded corners. This is a circuit breaker of Schneider's MT series. Let's take a look at the contactor part here. He has 2 contactors to switch with each other. There are 2 devices at the back end. The current of the devices is about 5000 amperes. The contactor pile head consists of 310 by 105 copper bars each, which is a transformer for measuring current. This bronze metal is 12 by 125.
Let's take a look. This is a frame circuit breaker of Schneider's MTK 3-bar 63. It is twitchable. The indication here represents the connection position of a main outlet of the circuit breaker. We can use this handle to shake out the body of the circuit breaker. As long as we turn counterclockwise, we can draw out the body to it. Shake it until it can't move. Let's take a look. It's in the test position now. Let's press this button again and continue to shake it out. When this button pops up, we need to press it down before we can operate it. Otherwise, the handle of this circuit breaker will not move. We press down the 2 flaps on both sides, and then we can pull out the body of the circuit breaker. Let's take a look. Now this circuit breaker is in the separated position, and our body has been pulled out of it. In the BR system, the maximum current we use is 6300. For a circuit breaker like this, the price is already over 100,000. If we turn the handle clockwise, we can turn the body into it. Similarly, when we cannot move, we also need to press this button down. Let's take a look at the arrow pointing to the connection position, indicating that the circuit breaker has reached the connection position. Let's use manual function to switch on and off to show you. Okay, that's all for this video. Friends who like my video will help me praise it and pay more attention. Thank you.